On today's lesson, we are going to be looking at the piano tutorial of I Get Backing by Victoria Orenze, okay? Welcome back to another video. This is Piano with Nick, okay? So, the song was done in the key of G sharp, but I'll be playing the key of F, okay? So, if today is your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be one of the first to get it, okay? So, let's dive in, alright? Like I said, we are in the key of F. In the key of F, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. This helps you to play in other keys, okay? So regardless of any key you play in, you can basically use this particular number system to play in your favorite key, okay? So like I said, we are in the key of F, okay? So the song basically have I think 4 different parts, okay? But basically just repetition, okay? So we are looking at the intro they did, which is a different thing altogether. Then we'll be looking at the verse, we'll be looking at the chorus. Then I think there's something that they did in there. Also, we'll be looking at basically everything about this particular song. So they started off like this. So what am I doing? Okay, let's check the breakdown. Okay, so basically they were on the 1 chord, okay? So like this, I have the C, I have the F on the left, like this. Then the right hand is doing the G, the A, the C, and the F. Then we are moving to the flat 7, okay? Everybody know the flat 7 is the tour, alright? The 7, flat 7, alright? So like this, alright? So basically, I have the flat 7 on here, which is the E flat, B flat, E flat. Right hand is doing the I have the G, B flat, E flat, okay? But I'm moving from the B flat, C, D, and E flat, alright? Okay, one more time. Then more times I hear messages that I should use so fast and stuff like that, okay? So in this particular video, I'm going to use so fast for you guys, okay? So do la so la, do la so la so, do do do. So let's check the verse. So the verse started, everything I want me to be, so the first chord they started off with, this particular song started off on the 1, the do. Still on the do, then T, T la, alright? I get back, you know, I know the walk alone. Alright, this is not all they did to this particular verse, okay? They did an additional stuff. I'm going to show you, okay? Basically, you can add stuff to the verse that I show you. So what did I do here? I just did the 4 over the 1, okay? Because we already know that the verse started off on the 1, okay? So basically they were on the 1 for pretty much, I would say, a long time, okay? So you can basically play around chords that can fit into that particular seconds or minutes, okay? So what did I do? I just did the 1, 4 over the 1, then 7. Yeah, you can even do the 3 to the 4. I get back, you know, another walk alone. Alright, so one more time. You can do the 3. I get back, you know, I know the walk alone. Alright, so let's check the additional stuff that they did to this particular song. Okay, so when they were doing Baby Toma Ubi Tobi Ababa wanna be like you, Baby Toma Ubi Tobi Ababa wanna be like you, I get back in home. Before you do for me, baby, for me, look alone for me, like that. Okay, basically those are the notes that I'm mentioning to you. Okay, let's check the other part. Okay, the part we say I walk with God the Father. Okay, so that part I walk with God the Father, I walk with God the Father, I know the Father, till of time joy, I get back in home. I know they walk alone. Here too, if you want, you can basically add stuff to it. Okay, you don't need to do mad things on this particular song. Okay, this particular song that I'm playing, I can basically do like plenty passing chord. Simplicity is the best way to play this particular song to bring out the beauty of it. Okay, so I walk with God the Father, I walk with God the Son, I walk with God the Spirit, I have them join, I get back in door. Then can do the first thing we did. And then they walk alone. And there's another part too. They stayed on the 1 for long. Then I think they went to the 4. Then there was another part too. They stood on the 1 for a long time. Then they will start the verse in the beginning. Okay, so basically that's all there is to this particular song. Okay, there's not much that they did on this particular song. Okay, subscribe if you haven't. I will see you in another video. Bye.